Hi, welcome to clickmeproject.com. Now I am going to explain my project comparing business performance of bank. Abstract. To analyze the financial performance of bank, we use operating assets and the fixed asset for the figure out of overall performance of every bank. In this our process to applying for to 5 bank and calculating the loan type and amount transaction type, all the information collect and so collecting the bank property, also comparing for the our bank process. From the analyze the result to we find the top 5 bank of India in depending upon the our performance. This our performance using to how to transaction our every bank and user satisfaction level for the every bank, and also comparing for the all the performance. The comparison of the performance of bank will be helpful in the providing the rank amount of bank according to the performance. The leading bank can get higher rank due to their high performance than their other bank. The performance can also consider the customer satisfaction number of the client, etc. In this process, to the compare the top 5 bank to calculating the user getting the best bank to the account create and loan transaction, all the information they getting the gather for easily. In this process to compare the 5 type of bank, in the proposed to the access to the best performance for the our bank side. Now explain our project flow. This is our project flow. So level 1, start admin access account holder information. In this account holder information has name, age, account data, and account creation, the type of account user creating the process, and account number generating for the our level 1 process. In this process to in the new user accessing the new bank creating for the our account to bank property calculation, amount detail, transaction withdraw detail store in the SQL database. In this bank property calculation for the our process in the when bank property calculation means the verifying and the status compare for the multiple bank to the our process. So what type of bank to our creating account, all the details gathering for the so calculating the bank property calculation. In this process to how many members transfer and withdraw for our bank branches equal to for calculating the our process. Level 3, another service provided, type of service, no service, service selection, details stored in the SQL table. The type of service is nothing but the loan generation, the home loan type, what type of loan has been providing for our bank side. This is also calculating in the every bank side in the what type of bank, so what kind of loan has been providing for our process. In this method to comparing for the all the bank and our selecting the 5 type of bank is SBI, IOB, State Bank, and Axis Bank, Canara Bank, and TMP Bank, also calculating the our process. In this process to calculating the every bank and loan type and access type and the transaction type, the calculating the our property has been calculating the our performance evaluation graph for the our process. In this compare for the best bank calculating for our process. Now execute my project. This is our project main page for our process. This is start the debug to the our project has been executed, or F5 click to the automatically project has been run, then click the F5. The project has been executed for our process. This is for our project main access process. This is already user enter username and password has been entered to the user access process. Then click the admin process to create a new process. Then click the admin button. This is admin page for our process. In this process to enter your admin username and password to the get the new account creation. Your admin name is admin and password is 12345, and select you are creating an account for any type of bank. Our using for 5 type of bank, so you are selecting bank to the automatically generated the account number for the our process. If you select the SBI bank and create the new account, so admin process access, so admin process access to the creating account for our process, then click the OK. This is account creation process. Enter your username and password and user information. If example username is Prabhu, age is 23, gender is male, address is West Street, mail ID is prabhu@gmail.com, and password is 900370203. 2. Then username enter for Prabhu 123 and password is 12345. Then select the one type of bank. You select the 5 type of bank available, so select one type of bank and account number. This is automatically generated for our account number process. In this account number process, so you calculating the database to access the how many type of data has been entered for our banks area. You are get to the automatically created for our account number. Then click the city Madurai and the state is Tamil Nadu. Then click the save button. So insert successfully. This is going to main page access process. In this process, to access the our username and password to get the information for our process. If user any amount or loan creation process for admin side and going to another application for the admin access process. In this admin access, so admin name admin and password is 12345 and select your bank and your loan get the process. The admin said the providing a loan, click to the loan button, then enter your account number process. Your account number is 111001. Then account number add loan process. This is the add loan process has been the already loan here you are available for your process. This is for the very information. The SBI your state bank. So type of loan equal to select your one type of loan and business loan and the loan number equal to click the enter to the loan number automatically generate for our process. So loan amount equal to 7,000. Then click the state equal to Tamil Nadu. Then save the detail for the insert successfully. Your loan detail for the automatically save for our process. Then going to main page. Now user access the amount any user transaction process to access the username and password to get the access process. The username is Prabhu 123 and password is 12345. Then access. This is for user main page for our access process. This is user information, name, age, gender, mail, address, mail ID, all the information for user information process. If transaction process has been transfer the button, click the process to the transaction process. This is your user account number information. This is transfer user number name and password process. So transfer username equal to money and bank is IOB bank and account number is 222001 and transfer amount is 2200. Then click transfer amount. Your amount has been transferred successfully. Then going to main page. This is for our main page process for our process. Then click the transaction allow comparison process for our bank performance. View information. This is our view information for our process. This is the current available balance for the our current user information. This is transfer or if any transfer information for the our user information. Then click the next process. This is the comparison process for our project. This is for the our banking comparison process for every bank service provided to the our information has been displayed the our overall comparison. Our getting the 5 bank to the comparison result for the our generating the graph to the our bank performance result. This is our 5 type of bank performance result for the our process. Then finally exit. Thank you.